Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today it's time for making Bandi style crispy masala dosa with peanut chutney and sambar. For masala dosa batter you need 1/4 cup of urad dal and 1 cup of idli rice. The ratio of urad dal and rice must be 1:4. Now add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. It's a secret for making Bandi style crispy masala dosa. Add few methi seeds. Now wash everything under the tap water for 3 to 4 times. Now soak the rice and dal for 4 to 5 hours. Now in a large grinder bowl, add the soaked rice and dal together, add little water and grind to make smooth paste. I have added 1 handful of flattened rice or chura to the batter. Flattened rice or chura makes dosa very crispy. Add little bit of water and make a smooth paste. Here is the batter. Now I will pour this batter in a steel tiffin box and will close this tiffin box tightly. Now I will keep this tiffin box inside a microwave. Or you can keep this in a dark place of your kitchen for overnight. Now it's time for making the masala for masala dosa. Boil 2 potatoes with some water. When the oil will be hot enough, add some mustard seeds. Add some roasted chana dal and few curry leaves. Add hing, and some chopped onion. Fry everything for some time. It's perfectly fermented and ready for making dosa. Now it's time for pali chutney or peanut chutney. First, you need to dry roast some peanuts. from the kadhai. Now in the same kadhai, add 1 or 2 garlic pods, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half red chili. Dry roast them too till nice fragrance comes. In a grinding bowl, add the skinless roasted peanuts, the roasted cumin seeds, garlic pods and red chili. Add some water and salt to taste. Few curry leaves if you wish. Now it's time for making the dosa. First, heat a pan and then sprinkle some water. Add a ladleful of batter on the pan and then nicely spread the batter all over the pan. To cook nicely on one side. Now sprinkle some oil all over the dosa. And spread the oil on the dosa using the spatula. Let the dosa cook for some time. After some time, try to cool it off from the tawa. If you are making masala dosa, then now spread some masala on the dosa and then wrap it. Our perfect masala dosa is ready to serve. Our Bandi style masala dosa is ready and served. If you really like the video, please share and please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video. See you soon. Bye bye.